If you're tired of battling unruly grass and dreaming of a pristine lawn, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of lawn mower blades to help you achieve that perfect cut. Discover the best blades that'll turn your yard into a green masterpiece. Check out the links in the description box to find the perfect match for your mower. Now let's transform your lawn care routine together. Greenworks 29,172 Lawn Mower Blade. Upgrade your Greenworks 20-inch or 21-inch corded mower with the Greenworks 29,172 replacement blade for precise and efficient cutting. Designed exclusively for models 25,022 and 25,112, each 19.69-inch steel blade ensures durability and optimal performance. Its one-piece construction enhances longevity and resistance to wear, making it ideal for regular lawn maintenance. With a quick 35-second heat-up easy-fill water tank and adjustable steam head, this steamer is perfect for on-the-go wrinkle removal. It's compact, lightweight, and travel-friendly, folding flat for convenient packing. Maxpower 331,981B Lawn Mower Blade. Maximize your mowing efficiency with the Maxpower 331,981B 21-inch Universal Gold Metal Mulching Lawn Mower Blade. Crafted from durable metal, this blade includes a cover washer and 6 reducing washers to ensure a perfect fit for most 21-inch cut mowers. Whether you're mulching, bagging, or side discharging, this blade delivers excellent results. Its universal design and easy installation make it compatible with various mower brands, enhancing versatility and performance. Oregon 96607 Lawn Mower Blade. Experience superior mulching with the Oregon 96607 Gator Mulcher 3-in-1 Lawn Mower Blade. This 21-2/3-inch heavy-duty replacement blade fits Toro 22-inch recycler models 94-907 and 96-607, offering prolonged durability and enhanced mulching capabilities. Crafted with a superior cutting edge, this premium replacement part meets the highest standards of safety and durability with a 26-point certification. Made in the USA with a limited lifetime warranty, the Oregon 96607 blade ensures a perfect fit and superior side discharge for both residential and commercial mowers. Husqvarna Lawn Mower Blade. Upgrade your lawn mower's cutting performance with the Husqvarna replacement blade designed for 21-inch mowers. This blade is a versatile replacement part compatible with various brands, including Husqvarna Poulan Pro, Roper, Sears/Craftsman, and Weed Eater. The current part number 532,406,712 replaces previous numbers 165,833, 175,064, 406,712, and 406,712x431 with a 21-inch length, 2¼ inch width, and 5/8-inch center hole diameter. This blade guarantees a precise fit. Enjoy reliable cutting and a 1-year warranty for defects, ensuring a superior lawn maintenance experience. MTD Genuine Parts Lawn Mower Blade. Enhance the mulching, bagging, and side discharge capabilities of your 21-inch mower with the MTD Genuine Parts Lawn Mower Blade. Designed to fit various Troy-built, MTD, Yardman, Yard Machines, Husky, and Boland's mowers manufactured in 1995 and after. This 3-in-1 blade offers versatility for different lawn care preferences. The star center hole ensures secure attachment, and it replaces OE numbers 942, 0741, 942 0741A, 742, 0741, and 742 0741A. Elevate your lawn maintenance routine with this durable, high-quality replacement blade for a range of top mower models. Elevate your lawn care routine with the best mower blades for a precision cut. Transform your yard into a masterpiece and let the blades do the talking.